All up in your face like ooh, so ill, mother Jordan my flu. Nasa bewang mga stick like glue, triple screw.
Yeah, do it on your block, kala mo ang come on base when you spin it you. Yeah, blood on my body on the line, bitch. Big money, yung 09, bitch. You with a star, waterfalls, yung bitch ko Pisces. Good kid, Mad City, Miami Vices. What you say, hatangin na mo.
Malasengo.
Rep, side ng konti, rep. Parang di maharakan yung camera. Thank you.
Jumble between number 75 and number 15. Number 45. So number 5, Kalma. Using the glass. Connect for 2. Number 6, number 26. Traveling violation. Number 16, connect for 2 points. Number 13. Harassing the number 12. Number 13. Steal by jersey number 26. No good. Battle for the rebound. Home by number 12. Jump. No good. Rebound number 75. Pass. Big pass to number 5. Kalma. Number 25. Number 25, wave estimate number 13. No good. Rebound by jersey number 5, Kalma. Steal by jersey number. Steal left by jersey number 45. Outside. Same ball. Miscommunication. Tandwai ball. Number 16. Guarded by number 35. Pass to number 26. To number 6. Lapus. To number 16. Morales at 3. Logo. Rebound home by jersey number 13. Pass to number 25. Alparo. Traveling violation. Number 25. Number 16. The 26. Number 12. At the 3. Number rebound home by jersey number 13. Star number 13. Guarding by number 12. Number 13. Number 13. Number 25. Number 25, almost close it. Pass number 5, Kalma. Jump. Number 3, home by jersey number 26. To number 6. Number 6. To number 26. To number 12. Pressing the ball. Looking for his teammate to number 26. Back to number 12.
Prep, we're good.
5 seconds to shoot. Number 6, number. At the 3, no rebound, ball with Messi, number 13. Number 25, Alparo, no good. Number 45, using the glass, connect for 2. Number 16, number 12, back to jersey number 16. Pass to number 6, steal by number 25, Alparo to number 13. Now, number 13, to number 75. Still number 26. Still by jersey number 13, star number 13. To number 75. Shot, connect for 2 points. Number 26. Pass number 16. No good. Rebound won by jersey number 75. Pass to jersey number 5. Calma. Calma. Almost lose it. Star number 5. Blackman number 6. Star number 25. Connect for 2. Number 6. Going for his teammate. Pass to number 15. Ramos. Number 26. Looking for the open man. Still number 45 to number 75. Pass to number 13. Number 13. To number 25. Using the glass. 24-2.
Excuse, Galma.
Number 20. Using the glass. Going for 2 points. Number 20 at the three. Follow, rebound, hold by jersey number 23. Number 19, number 22. Same roll. Number 10. Foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot. No good. Number 29 to number 19. Number 19, out the three. No good. Rebound won by number 23. Connect for 2. Number 20, out the three. No good. Battle for the rebound. Won by jersey number 12. Shot. No good. Rebound number 4. Ayan na. Back. Number. Inagawan na. Number 1. Number 20. Using the glass. No good. Battle for the rebound. Won by jersey number 4. Steve by jersey number 1. Using the glass. No good. Number 1 ulit. Number 20, using the glass. Pumasok na. Sa wakas. Foul. Number 23, looking for his teammate. Pass to number 22, number 29, no good. Tira pa number. Ayun na, tinira mo, pumasok na. Thirteen foul daw.
Sumisayin yung referee.
Ball. pass number 20. Ayun na. Number 20, pass number 12. Number 29. Inaway niya yung bola. Number 29. Tumira, no good. Number 1. Foul. Jump. No good. Rebound won by jersey number 27. Shot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 20. Tumatakbo na. Pass number. Is number 16 outside. Same ball. Magandang hapon, Mr. Janjan Escorial. 3-pointer ng diwa. Number 23. No goal. Rebound by number 6. Pass number 27. May tama ka, Siron. Number 20. Guarding the number 3. Number 20. Moving for his teammate. Number 13. To number 23. No good. Bata po tayo. Roll by number 6. To number 27. To number 3. To number 16. Easy. 2 points. Pass number 20. Here comes number 20. Number 20 pa din. Using the glass. Connect for 2 points. Number 27. Ginaba ang bola. Gahat na kampe. Pinasa number 3.
Left side.
5 seconds to shoot. Shot. Connect for 2 points. Number 44, number 13. Pass number 75. This is body shot. No good. Number 44. Traveling violation. Number 6. Pass number 16. Steal by jersey number 20. Number 20. Use in the glass. Correct for 2. Magrasi na po ako eh. Number 3. Pass number 6. Number 27. Shot, correct for 2. Veterano. Number 13, looking for his teammate. To number 75. Shot, no good. Pata po tayo number 75. Siya pa din. 75, number. 5 seconds to shoot. Still by jersey number 6. Number 6. Using value, using the glass, connect for 2. 20. First personal foul. 13 foul. Bonus shot for number 6. Number 75. Pass number 23. Pass number 6, Lapus. 3-on-1 situation, number 27. Shot. Double, rebound number 75. Pass number 13. Now number 13. Number 20. Fade away. Double, rebound number 16. Pass number 27 to number 6. Number 3, block by number 75. Outside. 10 seconds. Pass to number 44. Easy, 2 points. number 27 to number 20, Santiago. To number 1, number 3, Longwood. Rebound number 15. Number 15, turnover. Back to number 15. Steal by number 45. Pass by pass with jersey number. Steal by number 1. To number 20, Santiago. To number 27, almost lose it. Number 27, to number 1. To number 20, at the 3. Longwood, rebound, hold by jersey number 55. To number 20, jump, Longwood, rebound number 45. Pass by pass to number, steal by number 1. To number 55. Easy 2 points para number 27.
3-point lead.
Number 15, first personal foul. First team foul. Number 22, using the glass, correct for 2. Paano nga yung mic, kina mo? Oh, number 25. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 15, foul. Number 25, second shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 20, at the 3, air ball. Number 5, pass break pass to number 25, Alfaro using the glass, no good. Primo number 13, Pete, looking for his teammate, shot, no good. Primo by jersey number 13, using the glass, connect for 2. Change favor. Number 1, almost here, number 1. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 20 at the 3. No good. Battle for the rebound. Home by jersey number 22. Pass by pass to jersey number 25. Alfaro. Foul. Jersey number 20. First shot, no good. Second shot. Connect. Number 20. Steve by jersey number 45. Pass by pass. Steve by jersey number 1. Now number 1. Pass to jersey number 20. At the 3. Uno. Dos. 3 points. Number 5. To jersey number 13. Pabonita at the 3. No good. Rebound wrong by jersey number 15. Pass number 1. Pass to jersey number 20. Foul. Team foul. First shot, connect. Number 5, rebound the ball. To number 45. Steal by jersey number 27. Pass to number 20. Back to number 27. Using the glass, connect for 2. Number 5 to number 45. Number 25, no good. Remove by number 5. Using the glass, connect for 2. outside. Official score is 29-27. 2-point lead. Stand wide. Number 1 to number 20, using the glass, connect for 2. Timeout, Añejo. Number 1 to number 20. Foul. Jersey number 6. First personal foul. Third team foul. Number 23, using the glass, no good. Rebound number 12 to number 26. Same ball. 17 seconds shot clock. Number 6, no good. Battle for the rebound. Home by number 75. Pass to number 29. To number. Easy 2 points para number 1. 2 points lead. Number 6, number 26, out of 3. No good. Rebound number 75. To number 29. Number 29, to number 1, Silagan using the glass, connect for 2. Number 6, to number 16, blocked by number 75. Rebound number 20, to number 19. Number 20 using the glass, correct for 2. Number 26, almost lose it. Pass number 12. To number 26, block by number 75. Ang laki. Ang laki nun. Number 26, looking for his teammate. Received by jersey number 1, Silagan. Almost steal. Number, foul. Number 12. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Say magbuhasay.
Rep side lang, rep.
Number 75. Using the glass, Norwood. Rebound number 75. Number 12. Connect for 2.
Side.
Number 29. Number 1 at the 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 16. Foul. Committed by jersey number 1. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Sino naman?
Lamang
First shot. Connect.
Añejo.
Second shot. 2 for 2.
Isa lang.
Sino naman?
Añejo.
Official score is 37-38, 1 point lead. Añejo. Number 29, number 3. No good, rebound number 20. Block by number 6. (11 seconds shot clock. 11 seconds to shoot. Number 29. To number 1. Number 1, Nata 3. Rebound number 23, 3-meter jump. Good battle for the rebound, won by number 6. Looking for his teammate. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Easy, 2 points. Palit 5, 5 palit. Number 4. Back to number 13. Number 5, Kalma. Foul committed by jersey number 1. First personal foul. Easy by jersey number 1. Easy, 2 points. Number 5. Number 44. Penalty rep. Who's foul rep? Number 27. Second personal foul. Penalty. First shot correct. Rebound jersey number. Outside. Tandway ball. And number 3, other 3. Robert, rebound jersey number 5, Kalma. Pass number 13, number 23. Number 44, using the glass, connect for 2. Number 5. Number 23, perimeter jump, connect for 2. Number 1. Number 1, perimeter jump, no good, rebound number 44. Number 44, Steve number 1. Number 1, no good, rebound number 44. Pass to number 13. Now, number 13. Using the glass, no good, rebound number 3, pass to number 1. Number 27, looking for his teammate number 1. At the 2. Luego, rebound won by jersey number 27. Back to number 1 at the 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 point lead. Tandway goal. Number 5, Kalma. To number 4, perimeter jump. Luego, rebound jersey number 19. To number 1. To number 3. Outside. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 5, Kalma. Using the glass, foul committed to jersey number 27. Third personal foul, penalty. Number 27, tatlo na ang foul. First shot, no good. No good. Number 3. Pass to jersey number 1. To number 19. Back with jersey number 1. Looking for his teammate. To number 27. Sleeper number 5. Kalma. Pass to jersey number 4. Here comes number 4. To number 23. Shot. Bago 3-1 jersey number 1. Silagan. Snap Silagan. 3-on-1 situation. Number 27. Using the glass. Connect for 2. Number 5, looking for his teammates, number 44. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound number 27, number 1. Pass to jersey number 27, using the glass, no good. Number 25 to number 13, Sabonita, looking for his teammate. To number 45, to number 75, Aban, spin, shot, no good, batted for the rebound, rolled by jersey number 16. Still number 13 to number 75, Blues in the glass, correct for 2 points. 1 point lead, Tandoy Gold. Number 16. To number 20, Rata 3. No good. Rebound rolled by jersey number 13. Pass to number 29. To number 25. Almost lose it. Number 29. Number 25. Rata 3. 1. Dos lang. Stepping pa lang. Number 16, Morales, number 55. At the 3. No good, rebound number 75, Aban. Pass number 25. Foul. First team foul. First shot, correct. No good, rebound number 12. Looking for his teammate, pass to jersey number 55. Steal by number 75, Aban, to number 29, to number 13, Pabonita. Pabonita, slide shot, using the glass, going for 2, para number 13.
Hot dog.
Number 20, Santiago. Number 12, using the glass, so good. Number 13. Number 13 to number 25, shot. No good, rebound number 16. Pass to number 20, Santiago. To number 55, Perez. Out to 3. No good, rebound by number 55, Perez. To number 20. Foul committed by jersey number 29. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 16, at the 3. No good, rebound by jersey number. Outside. Number 29, pass number. Received by number 12. Pass to jersey number 16. To number 55. Received by jersey number 45. To number 25. Using the glass, connect for 2 points. 10. Number 55. Blackman number 75. 75 pass to jersey number 13. Pabonita. Number 13. To number 25. Alparo. Number rebound jersey number 12. Pass to number 16. To number 55, Perez, using the glass for 4-2. Number 25, Alfaro. Number 29 to number 13, Pete. Number 13. Number 13, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 45, but the 3. No good, rebound number 25, Alfaro, looking for his teammate. To number 45. No good, battle for the rebound, one by jersey number 45. To number 75, miscommunication, outside. Timeout. To jersey number 55, back to jersey number 20, Santiago. To number 16, Morales at the 3. No good, battle for the rebound, one by jersey number 10, De Leon. Outside.
Wala pa, 9 yan. 9.
Palit lima po, palit lima. Number 1 to number 12. Back to jersey number 1 at the 3. No good, battle for the rebound, one by number 5, Karma. To number 20, pass to number 1, Silayan using his body. To number 20, shot. Connect for 2 points. Number 6, number 27, using the glass, connect for 2. Ang galing mo sa Iron. Number 5, Kalma. 4-point lead. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 4.
Dalawa yung siyam.
No good, battle for the rebound, number 23.
Rep, gilid ka, rep.
14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Number 5, Kalma. Almost lose it, number 1. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 22. Back by number 37, number 5. Number 23, out of here. Rebound number 20, shot, foul. Committed by jersey number 27. Second team foul. Number 27, apat na po. Salamat. First shot, no good. Second shot, connect. Number 1, pass, big pass, jersey number 27, connect for 2 points. 3-point lead, a new team. Number 1, Silagan, guarding by number 12. Number 1, pass to number 22. To number 23, jump. Rebound pa rin niya. Nice steal ni number 26. To number 1, to number 12. Easy, 2 points. Para number 12. Number 5, Kalma, dribbling the ball. Guarding by number 12. Number 5, looking for his teammates. To number 1. Number 1. To number 23. Perimeter shot. Connect for 2. Number 6. Lays it up. Connect for 2. Number 20, Jordan, looking for his teammates. Steve with jersey number 27, pass with jersey number 1, 2-on-1 situation. Number 1 to number 12, using the glass, no good, rebound number 5. Foul committed by jersey number 12. Number 20, harassing goal with 2 members of Tanduay. Number 20. Lose it, Steven number 1. Number 1. Easy, 2 points. Change favor. Official scoring, 57. Number 1, second personal foul. Second team foul. Jersey number 26, number 6, back to number 26. Using the glass, correct for 2 points. Official score is 57-60. 3-point lead by the Tanduay team. Number 5, Karma. Norwood, driven by jersey number 1, pass to jersey number 12. Number 12, easy, 2 points. Number 20. But there's a whistle foul committed by jersey number 1. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Warning pa nga lang eh.
Number 20, Logo, driven home by jersey number 6. Number 26. Back to jersey number 6, Lapus. Looking for his teammates. Number 12. Number 12, number 1. At the 3. Everyone outside. Number 13, to number 44, to number 13. 10 shot clock. Number 29 at the 3, no good. Battle for the rebound. Outside. Tanduay ball. Number 27, Orange Steer. Pass to number 12, De Leon. To number 16, Ataki. Uno, dos, tres. Number 75. Pass to jersey number 29. Using the glass target battle for the rebound, won by number. But there's a reason number 27. To number 16, Morales, jump at the 3. No good. Rebound, won by number 12. Here comes number 12, pass to jersey number 16, miscommunication outside. Five seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound, won by jersey number 75. Pass, very fast to jersey number 13. Too much muscle. Outside. Tanduay ball. Number 16, shot. Using the glass, connect for 2 points. Point lead now with the Tanduay. Using the glass, connect for 2 points para ay number 29. 8-point lead. Number 16, number 20. Number 20, Santiago at the 3, airball. Number 29. Dribbling the ball. Looking for his teammate, pass to number 13, Pabonita. Number 13. Using the glass target battle for the rebound, by number 29. It's now number 29. To number 44. To number 75. Using the glass, connect for 2 points. Number 19. Number 16, Morales. Number 27. Foul committed by jersey number 29. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Official score is 67-61. 6-point lead, Tanduay. Number 29, inbounding the ball to number 13. It's now number 13. Looking for his teammate to number 13, Pabonita. Pass number. Outside. Tanduay ball. Number 16. Pass number 20, Santiago. Number 27. Still with jersey number 44, pass break, pass to jersey number 13. Number 13 almost plays it. Still number 27. Offensive foul. Number 27. Number 27. Grabe. Time out, namatay na naman.
Konti na lang. Apat na lang.
Two seconds to shoot. 2 seconds remaining. Number 1 to number 27. To number 20, looking for his teammate. To number 27. To number 15. Foul committed by jersey number 75. Second personal foul. First team foul. Dalawa na, number 75. First shot connect. No good. Rebound by the 745. Number 1. Silagan.
Side rep.
Number 13, number 3. No good. Rebound by number 75. Awan. No good. Number 13. To number 5. Karma. To number 1. 5 seconds to shoot. Rebound by jersey number 45. Number 75, number 45. Foul committed by jersey number 15. Second personal foul. First team foul. First shot connect. Super 2. Official score is 68-66. 2-point lead, Tanduay. And number 15 to number 27. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 75, number 20, Santiago. To number 1, out the 3. No good. Rebound won by number 6 shot. No good. Rebound by number 75, Aban. To number 13, Pabonita. Number 13 at the 3. No good. Rebound won by just number 30. Pass number 1. To number 27 at the 3. No good. Rebound won by number 6. Pass number. Block with just number 5. Number 15. 8 seconds to shoot. Still number 75. Here comes number 75. Aban. Number 1. Kickball violation. Number 27. Number 15. Ramos. And number 15. Number 27, no good. Rebound won by just number 13. 3-on-1 situation. Number 75, number 1, Silagan. Using the glass, connect for 2 points. Deadlock on. Number 75, no good. Rebound number 75. Still number 1. Pass, break pass, to the number. Too much machine. Silagan looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 75, Aban. Foul committed by jersey number 15. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots awarded to number 75. First shot correct. No good. Rebound number 6. Number 1. 1 point lead by the Añejo team. Number 15. Using his body. Number 15. Shot. Using the glass. No good. Battle for the rebound. Won by number 27. No good. Number 1. Silagan. Number 1. At the 3. No good. Battle for the rebound. Won by number 6. Pass to number 27. To number 1. To number 16. What a 3. Logo, rebound, won by number 75. To number 5. Calma. Looking for his teammate number 13. Pabonita. To number 1. Silagan. 10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 1. Crossover. Still. Use it to number 16. Here comes number 16. Using the glass. Connect for 2. Change favor. Number 1, Silagan. To number 5, Calma. Change favor na po. Number 75. Timeout. Añejo. Kailangan lamang. Number 5, inbounding the ball, pass to number 25. To number 1. To number 5, perimeter jump, connect for 2. Change favor ulit. Lamang isa, ang Añejo. Number 16, at the 3-point line. 1, 2, 3. Change favor ulit. 2-point lead, Tanduay Gold. Number 1, Silagan. Looking for the open man to number 13, Pabonita at the 3. Robo, rebound won by jersey number 15. Here comes number 15 to number 16. Using the glass, connect for 2. 4-point lead, Tanduay Gold. 4-point lead. Number 13, Pabonita. 10 seconds shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Number 5, Calma, perimeter jump. Double, dribble, wall by number 15, Ramos. So number 1. 2-on-1 situation, here comes number 1, number 16. Using the glass, double, dribble by number 1, number 16. Connect for 2 points. Official score is 77-71. 6-point lead. Number 13, using the glass, connect for 2. Number 27. Number 16. Back to number 27. Number 15. Number. Ayun. Number 13. Pabonita. Number 1. Silagan. Outside. Same ball. 16 seconds to shoot. Number 75, back by number 6. Sub rep, sub. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 75, back by number 6. Here comes number 27, Dua. See by jersey number 25, Alfaro. Alfaro looking for his teammate, number 1, Silagan, jump at the 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 1, Steve Benaver. Foul committed by B.
Dalawa pa.
Tatlong foul pa lang.
Tumang pa sila, isa.
Official score is 76-77. 1 point lead, Tanduay. Number 1. So number 13, Pabonita at the 3. Double dribble number 75. Foul committed by jersey number. Number 6.
Boss, tingnan mo na.
Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. First shot correct.
All 7, deadlock.
Deadlock on 77. Lahat po nasasab dito po sa gitna para makita po. Salamat. Connect. 1 point lead. Anyeho team. Change favor. Number 1. Trevor. Outside. Anyeho ball.
Left side, right side.
Number 1. Perimeter jump. Connect for 2 points. 3-point lead now. Anyeho team. Lamang na kayo na tatlo. Number 12. Number 6. So number 1.
Done. Gutierrez.
Number 27. Steven number 45. Pass by pass. We can see number. Steven number 6. Foul committed by jersey number 1. Sub rep, sub.
Gutierrez, tabi. Sub, tabi.
Number 16, Morales, shot. Double dribble over number 75. Pass, fake pass to jersey number 25, wide open. 5-point lead now. Foul committed by this. Number 25, warning for graduate. Number 12, De Leon. Traveling by Sub.
Tabi. Depensa, 3 minutes, 5 kayo lang. Siya sa gilid. Kaya Doris, tabi kayo, kita ka sa kami, nakaharangan eh.
Dalawa isa!
Foul committed by jersey number.
Namin, ilang yung bigay ko nyo ah. Ingat.
Third personal foul penalty. First shot connect. Sub. Officials go.
Tatlo. Naman kayo tatlo. Eh, nakashoot yung kalaban nyo eh.
Official score is 79-82. 3-point lead.
Kalma, easy lang.
Same ball.
Libre, hindi pinasa.
Pasa Meige.
Number 13 is steal by jersey number 1.
Ayan.
Pass to jersey number 27. Number 5. Easy 2 points. Foul committed by jersey number.
Depensa.
5 seconds.
5-point lead. And your team. Steal by number 75, Aban. Steal by number 15. To number 1. Number 27. Foul committed by jersey number 27. First shot, no good. Rebound number 75.
Gamit oras ka mo.
Last 2 minutes. Number 1.
Tabi.
To number 20, after 3. No good. Rebound number 75. Aban, number 13. To number 1, Silagan. Number 5, Kalma. Correct for 2.
Sige matakbo.
3 points. Official score is 88-84, 4-point lead. Number 5, shot, no good, rebound number 6. Pass, fake pass against number 1. To number 15, to number 1, to number 20. At the 3. No good, rebound number 75. Aban. Looking for his teammate. Outside. Number 5. Number 45. To number 13. Pabonita. Using the glass. Going for 2. 6-point lead. Steven number 5. Kalma.
Oh, dance, dance.
Going for 2.
Safe na yan, safe na.
Number 6 to number 1. At the 3. No good. #75